updated day to day. We'll be back here in Yorkville on September 13th.
No, you passed.
We'll have 6 classes here, pretty much what we got tonight.
Why do I have hiccups? Is this so fucking...
Can I have Tom Anderson from the Fair Board please meet Russ Vickery at the finish line of the track. Tom Anderson of the Fair Board, meet Russ Vickery at the finish line of the track. Brett Orthall out of Oswego on a 97 Dodge, hooked up to chase down that 273.57.
But this sucks having hiccups. Like I'm not even drunk.
Well, Brett makes a pretty good run there with a 253.80. Well, you can tell when the old mechanical mule he drops that last airbag, you can really tell they're putting a hurt to him pretty good.
I'm talking